All right, what is up, everybody? I know it has been a minute, but I am back. I don't know, I haven't had a lot of inspiration for making videos lately, so I just haven't made any videos. I figured if I didn't have something high quality that I wanted to share, then I wouldn't bother wasting your guys' time. So, um, I hope you understand that. I can understand being a little frustrated if you were a subscriber and haven't posted in like 2 months. So, but that is that. And just kind of the outline for the video was what I'm going to go over. I already apologize, so I'm not going to do that again. What have I been up to? I have been experimenting day trading. My first thought was, okay, is this even possible? When I day traded, I was basically looking at the market, and then say I was trading Amazon. I basically would be trying to trade in the direction the market was moving anyway, and then trying to trade Amazon on top of that. For me, instead of trying to do that and basically use the market as another indicator, I figured it would just be easier to just trade the market. Anyway, so that's why I've been trading just SPY. You can see 1 to 7 days to expiration. I'm trading options. You guys know me, I love options. So 1 to 7 days to expiration. This kind of depends on where the VIX is and how expensive the contracts are. $1 to $3 out of the money every time. And right here, this is the most critical piece. So when you're day trading options, you need to be right, but you also need to be right quickly. So even though if I bought a call here and we've slowly been climbing up, I'm working against beta. Okay, so time decay is just eating these options. So this isn't a very good move for me. So you need to be right on the direction, but you also need to be right quickly. So it's much better to be in these sharp moves and that sort of thing. So I just kind of mentioned this. Number 2, trade with the grain. Make sure they're perfect setups. I love using the VIX. VIX tells you a lot. If the market is pricing in a drop, the VIX will tell you that. And I'm not going to go over any of these in too much detail. If you are curious, you can look these up, or maybe I'll post a future video on it if you guys are curious. I'll also use the bonds. Bonds tell a lot of the same thing, as the VIX. So if this is trending up over the time, market is probably pricing in a downward move. Same with VIX. So trade with the grain. I look at those. Also, I mean, if you guys aren't living under a rock, you'll know that tech has been absolutely backpacking the entire rest of the market. So I do look at the tech sector quite a bit. Consumer discretionary has also been big lately. So trade with the grain. Focus on these major sectors: healthcare, energy, and basically try to trade in the same direction as those. If all of these are pointing bullish, I have right here the Warren Buffett baseball mentality. He's talked about stock picking in terms of being a batter in the batter's box, and basically you can wait for pitch after pitch after pitch to come by. You never have to swing. You can't strike out, but if you swing, you better hit the ball. So basically, waiting for the perfect pitch, you get an unlimited amount of looks, which is basically what I'm trying to do here. I don't have to swing at curveballs there to kind of catch the outside corner of the plate to go along with that analogy. I can wait for just a nice slow change up right in that 55 miles an hour range down the middle that I can actually hit. Okay, number 3, I'm playing pivots. So every single morning I'm posting pivot levels. These are support and resistance levels, use volume, gamma analysis, stuff like that. So I post those every single morning. I draw them in when the morning starts, and I'm playing these levels. So if you look today, just for example, I didn't even pick today to do this. You can see right around all these levels, there's going to be heavy price action and then either a bounce through or a reversal. So you can see here, we broke through here, rode down. There wasn't actually a lot of action there, but you can see as soon as it did break down through that, it went straight to the next level. Same thing here. It actually touched, came within 4 cents of this level, bounced back up, got through this, kind of chopped around this level, got higher, chopped around that level, got higher, and then rode up to the top here. So these levels, if you guys haven't been paying attention, you can go through the Discord, and I screenshot every single day how these levels are working out. If you want to look through these, you'll see that they are pretty darn accurate every time, which is pretty helpful for me. I'm not, like I said, I'm not a phenomenal trader, but this makes it very easy to be accurate. I also post when I make plays for the day. I'll show entries and exits and that sort of thing if you guys do care. And you will have access to this spreadsheet. Kind of goes over my win-loss. So play pivot levels. And then I kind of already said this, market awareness, volume analysis. Basically, I'm looking at a chart. I want to have expectations. If the price action isn't following what my expectations are, I'm not going to trade. Like I said, I just don't want to be wrong. I don't want to lose money. So that is my number one, especially when you're trading options too, because if you're wrong, and it starts going against you, theta's working against you too, you can lose money pretty quickly. So market awareness, use volume analysis. Once you start trading quite a bit more, you'll get good at using volume. Show what it indicates. There's super low green volume here, so this isn't that strong of a move, even though we have 5 or 6 green candles in a row. I also like trading a 5-day, 5-minute chart, if you are curious about that. I stay out of the first and last 30 minutes. A lot of times the market opens and kind of ignores my levels. It kind of does whatever it wants. I mean, it might start up and then it drops immediately. So I don't really pay attention to the price action the first 30 minutes. I figured it doesn't actually help me. It doesn't lead to a lot of successful trades. So that's just one of my own rules. And then kind of same thing, last 30 minutes, it starts getting super choppy. It's more bigger players start putting in volume orders. So I just try to stay out of the first and last 30 minutes. Again, I'm trying to not lose money. And then I already said this, I post the pivot levels every single morning. I don't know if anybody in the Discord currently actually trades with me. I haven't talked to anybody specifically about it, but I do post them every morning if you do want to watch them, or if you just want to draw them in and kind of see how they play out. And then obviously, I'm only doing this with a small amount. If you go to this sheet, you can see my position sizes are super small. And this is just position sizes in my Robinhood account. I still have to bulk my money in Fidelity. And yeah, I just don't have that much exposure. I'm not taking that much risk on these levels, and the rest of my money is still just along the market. If you look at my last video, that 5-factor investing, that is what I'm doing with my money. So just have that context when you're looking at this. And then if you guys have any questions on any of this, let me know down in the comments. If you want to know more about what I'm doing, maybe I'll make another follow-up video and go a little bit more in depth, and we can do like live trading or something like that. But I did just want to share and give an update on what I've been up to. We are at 999 subscribers, so that is pretty exciting. I didn't think I was going to get this high, so I appreciate the support you guys have given me. I'm always open to hear what videos you guys want to see next. Like I said, I haven't had a lot of new inspirational ideas, so that is why I haven't posted a video. And then again, if you want access to the Discord, access to everything I have, my full portfolio, everything like that, you can sign up to the Patreon, and you can support me and the channel there. And then obviously you get access to the Discord. Also, this is Tradingview. I didn't talk about that. This is tradingview.com. It is absolutely phenomenal. I used Thinkorswim for a long time, but this is just leagues ahead of Thinkorswim. So I actually pay $15 a month for this service. I can drop a link down below if you guys want to check it out and sign up for it. But it is just super easy and basically has every single feature that Thinkorswim does not have, but has everything you do need. So I highly, highly recommend Tradingview. And yeah, that's all I got. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.